Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the show Ask Me Now. Yes, so this is a platform where you can ask your doubts, your questions, your queries regarding Vedic mathematics. And okay, now Kanchan, you have a child of 5 years. Okay, so let me tell you. Now, parents are worried about the fear of maths of their child. And it is not for the first time I'm receiving this query from you. Number of parents have the same query. My child has fear of mathematics. How to remove that? So, dear parents, very first thing, you need not to worry. See, mathematics has been presented as a pain, a havoc, a stress, and this has been induced in their minds. Now, rather we teachers should have narrated this subject as the most easiest one. Why? Because every question has a unique answer, unlike other subjects. But the problem is, since this has been treated as a pain, a havoc, or a stress, they all have fear of mathematics. So now, how to reduce it? See, Vedic mathematics is one solution for all this pain. Because Vedic mathematics, it is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. So once that fear is gone, confidence in mathematics will come, and definitely they'll rise above that and they are able to achieve that confidence in other subjects also. Second, it's linked to the same thing. You attain the feeling, I can. Yes, once you are confident, you always have a feeling, yes, I can do. Just think over it. If your child, or even you, let's talk about you. If you think, yes, I can do, so can anyone stop you from that? See, this is a psychological effect. If you have this feeling, if you have this gut feeling, yes, I can do this thing, nobody can stop you. And that confidence you get in Vedic mathematics, or you attain that feeling of I can, which is very important in the student's life or a child life. Third, very important thing, ability to think. Now, we always talk about critical thinking and how we can think in a different way. But what we are doing for that, we don't even allow them to do a math question in a different way. We say, no, you'll get marks based on your steps. So how this can be developed then? Now, this is a query which I generally receive from all the parents. Sir, you are promoting Vedic mathematics, you are teaching Vedic mathematics, but in school, they get the marks based on their steps. Yes, you are perfect. You are correct. But the point is school education the only thing? Will they never rise above that? And all the competitions, all the examinations, scholarship exams, or all the talent exams, what for them? And is knowledge only based on the marks? Now, if this would have been, why do students, they don't attend regularly 11th and 12th and they go for competitive studies? They're going and learning the new techniques. They're going and learning time management. Now, if they would have been taught this right from the beginning, was a need to spend so many days or go for a training and not attending their school classes? So the life is not only your school marks, it is much beyond that. And that we need to think of, right? So very first thing, yes, your child has a fear of maths, and that is obvious because that has been induced in their minds. But as a parent, your duty, your job is just to stand by there, and Vedic maths will do the rest, right? So, am I clear, Kanchan? Any more question? Yes, you can write down. If you're finding difficult in audio, you can write down. Okay. Mhm. Yes. See, now, yes, it was not introduced in Indian education system earlier, but I think we need to move from that past. Now, time has changed. And as per National Education 2020, it is being implemented. So now it would be done from right from class third onwards, I suppose. But it depends on policies of every state government, because uh, every state government has been given a free hand to decide on this. Now, as per my, if you ask my experience or my knowledge or my suggestion, so we should implement it right from class third onward. For class 1 and 2, I would just suggest one concept of Vedic mathematics that is very simple, and the name is called digit sum. Digit sum means sum of the digits. It is also called as digital root or Navashesh or Bijang. Now, what will it help us in? See, with that, now students, they, even after attempting math question, they are not confident that yes, we have solved it correct or not. They're always in a doubt. So just think, if somebody is there or some system is there which can verify their answers, so how much confidence they will gain with that. And digit sum is a solution. With digit sum, you can verify your answers within seconds. So let it be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots, whatever mathematical calculations are, we can verify our answers with the help of digit sum. So in class 1 and 2, I don't want, let the kids enjoy their journey of school education, and right from class third, we can implement this subject, because by that time they are aware of single digit addition and tables up till 8. So that is what minimum uh, is required to start learning Vedic mathematics. And so that can start from class third itself. Right. Okay. Anything else? Yes, Raj? Okay. See, now when, okay. See, if you ask about where it can be implemented, say I have told this number of times, but again, I'm repeating. Vedic mathematics is alternative way for your solving mathematical calculations. So now these calculations can be in arithmetics, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, phonics, and even organic chemistry. So all such mathematical calculations can be solved, easily solved rather, with the Vedic mathematics, right? Okay. Yes, see, advantages are like, very first advantage is it increases your speed. So speed is increased 10 to 15 times faster. Second, reduces the burden. Now you don't have to cram or remember the tables more than eight. So that is the biggest burden, I think, on every child. And that is where actually they start hating or disliking maths, when they start with tables. Right. Third is no need of finger counting, or what you can say, uh, rough sheets, rough work. It is the scratch work is reduced to an extent. It is reduced to a much, right? And fourth advantage is it increases concentration. Yes, when you will enjoy your subject, when you will enjoy your calculations, when you start loving those things, so definitely you will find interest in that, and your both the brains, right brain as well as left brain, starts working, and that would further increase or add up to increase in concentration levels. And fifth, last but not the least, is it reduces silly mistakes. Now, what are silly mistakes? Again, multiple carryovers and borrows. So these are generally silly mistakes, right? Okay.